Okay, so I just left the IKEA store and I bought this new smart wireless light bulb system. So today I was thinking about unboxing and trying it out and give a review about it. So I got this remote, which is wireless, and I got two light bulbs. They're the same. I got the small one because that's what I need. So I'm gonna start with the remote. It looks like this. Very small box. I'm gonna need a knife. Kitchen knife, the best knives. I'm gonna do it towards you guys so you can see. Okay, so inside the box you got the remote. It looks like this. I must say it's pretty small. Kind of a slim design to it. And I got a battery in here as well. You can see there. Okay. Further inside the box, you find manuals. I got two. Don't know why. Okay. They are the same, but for different languages. So. Okay, and this is a declaration of conformity, so I don't need this. So that's what's inside the box. And I'm trying to open this one. Okay. So violence is the best way to open boxes. Oh. Okay. And here's some tape, I think. Oh, okay. This is tape for the holder, so you can probably put this on some wall or something. And this is the controller. So this is magnetic, as you can see. So you place this on the wall, I would guess, and you would just attach this to it when you don't use it. So that's a smart thing. So try to insert the battery. I don't have any nails for this one. I'm gonna take a different knife, I think. Maybe a spoon. Okay. Oh, here we go. So. Okay, and this is what it looks inside. You just put the battery in here, I presume. Like this. No, you did not. Oh, and there you go. Okay, I'm just gonna attach this one back. So, this is ready to go. Now I'm gonna open one of the light bulbs. I'm not gonna do both because they're the same. So okay, manuals. The same type of packaging. So if you have a small packaging, why reinvent the wheel, so to speak? It's a bit really hard to open, actually. Okay, here we go. I destroyed it. So I'm gonna try this out, and I have like a spotlight, which I have used this one before. So this is an LED light, which is pretty much smaller, but we will see how it will do. So okay guys, so I screwed in the light bulb to this lamp, as you can see, and I got the remote right here. And I didn't mention this earlier, or I didn't see this earlier, because I was so excited. But inside of this remote there's a button, as you can see here. So, and this button is here because once the power is on, you put this 2 inches from the light bulb and hold it for 10 seconds to pair the two. And I have already done this, so I'm gonna turn the light on by pressing the big round button right in the middle of the control. Oh, maybe I should turn the power on first. So, okay, so you can turn it on and off like this, and you have one button here and one here. They like changes the lightning, what you call it, the power of the light, like this, up and down. And you have 2 buttons on the sides, and these control the color of the light. So if I press this to this side, it goes like to a warmer color, and if I keep going, it just goes back like in a circle to the colder light. So thank you for watching. And I should mention this, but I really like this. I think it's a great idea from IKEA, and I think I did a real good job, and I really like the design of the controller. Great job, but it's too bad that it doesn't have Wi-Fi connected to it, so you can't change the lighting or turn it on and off and stuff like that if you're away from the home. You have to be inside the home to use the controller and turn on and off the lighting. So thank you for watching.